Well, that'll help his yards per catch.
And Abdullah starting at running back as well. Stafford throwing and completing for Stafford to throw. And there's Calvin Johnson, who's loose inside the 20 of the Bears.
Stafford got that out of his hands so fast. That ball hit Calvin Johnson right out of as he was coming out of his break, and it gives him that opportunity to get these yards after the catch.
A gain of 43 yards. Need to get to the 37. Sideline throw.
He's 30 years old, but he can still run, he can still jump, and he can still make these plays when given the opportunity. And got one to him, a big one to him right there.
Calvin turned 30 last month, and he's 6'5" and change. And 25 seconds to play. End zone throw. Touchdown Lions! On first down, Stafford from the pocket completes. And how did he get open? Calvin Johnson with another first down up to the 44-yard line. Stafford on second down. Deep for Calvin Johnson, who makes the catch!
Which is more like a 70-30 or 80-20 ball when 81's involved. And it's a huge, huge play for the Detroit Lions.